how to make your AI whisper using Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make your AI whisper in Elevenlabs. So to make your AI whisper in Elevenlabs is a clever trick, very clever. And how do you do that? The first step is to sign into your Elevenlabs account and select a voice actor. If you can recognize the voice actor whose voice is low or whose voice has a low pitch, you can just go ahead and select that particular actor. So once you've done that, the next step would be for you to enter in your text. Okay. So while entering in your text, ensure that that the text is written in lower caps, that is in a lower case. By writing your text in lower case, it shows that you are not shouting, but instead you want it to be a whisper. So if you have any text written in capital letter, ensure you change it to a small letter. And if you have any punctuation mark anywhere, ensure you change it to a full stop or to a comma where necessary. Remove any exclamation and remove any capital letter. Then next step would be for you to add gentle punctuation by making use of ellipses and commas to create pauses and to create a softer rhythm. All right, so like I said earlier, you can make use of dashes, you can make use of ellipses, you can make use of commas instead of exclamation marks and instead of writing in capital letters. And once you're done with that, the next step would be for you to adjust the voice settings by moving to the settings option, and by clicking on settings by the right side, you would see the settings option, reduce the stability to make the voice unstable and more expressive. And once you're done, move to the bottom right corner, click on generate speech, and you're good to go. So this is how you can make your AI whisper in Elevenlabs. So go ahead and try this out, okay? Thank you for watching and have a good day.